today I'm going to bake a very easy chocolate cake. I hope it's going to work. And today my sister is going to help me. Say hi.
Hi.
And these are the ingredients you will need. One tablespoon of baking soda and 235 grams of flour, 300 grams of sugar. Now we need 65 grams of cocoa, and I use Hershey's cocoa, and because it's unsweetened, so we don't have a lot of sugar in our cake. Here the cocoa goes.
Now I'm going to mix it up.
Go ahead. The next step is to crack the eggs in here. This is the second egg. So now we need 60 grams of softened butter, and we need to put it in the microwave. Pour this in. Now we need a little bit more than a tablespoon of vanilla extract. That's 10 grams. Oh. Now we need 260 milliliters of milk. Now we need 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use all kinds of vinegars, but don't do balsamic vinegar. Now we need to mix this up. Oops. You need to mix it until it's smooth, uniform, and glossy. This is our result.
We need a form from 16 to 20 centimeters. Grease the form with butter.
Come on, go ahead. We need a lot of butter here so it doesn't stick.
You can put the parchment paper on the bottom. Preheat the oven to about
311 degrees Fahrenheit.
Pour the dough into the form.